Here we've got ONEPLUS NORD N100, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at the very beginning, you need to reach Messages. And let's take a look at the current keyboard that we have. Let's pick whichever contact you have around. And as you can see now, we are set up with English. And if you want to change it, all you need to do is to tap on the settings icon, then reach Languages, pick Add Keyboard, and then select the one that you would like to apply. So as you can see, the list is very, very long. And just pick the one that you want to apply. So it can be Yiddish, tap on Done, then remove unnecessary language, go back, and as you can see, it has been already changed and you can smoothly write in Hebrew. Then whenever you would like to change it again, just go to the settings, pick languages and perform the same operation. Tap on Done, and that's it. So basically that would be all. So you can change keyboard dictionary in your device. It's quite simple and easy operation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.